I feel happy to introduce myself as Rakesh Lalwani through this video. I would like to manifest my interest in business studies and how I look forward to having a bright and successful career in the business sector through this video. This video also defines my genuine interest as a student and my desire to pursue a Master of Management from the University of Sydney. I belong to a simple family where values and traditions are much respected. When I discussed my higher studies in Australia, my family stood like a pillar and were very happy about my decision. I have selected to study Master of Management in the University of Sydney because I have done my bachelor degree in commerce stream. I want to have much more deep knowledge through my study as well in Master of Management course. This course I will have concrete foundation of business skills which one must have to enter in the corporate world. It will help me to lead my career towards management profession. Currently, every business operates in a challenging environment which keeps on changing time to time. I believe and confident that Australian qualification will enhance my career opportunities in competitive job market. After completion of the course, I will be benefited by 2-year post-study work visa in which I will get opportunity to get international business experience by which I will get introduced to new skills. I want to see myself after 5 years in management sector in India. Many companies like Amazon, ICCI, Reliance, etc. These are some of the leading organizations in India. These companies offer lucrative jobs along with a handsome salary package for deserving candidates. I will be able to join these companies via many job portals such as LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri.com, etc. I will be working on designations such as Global Business Manager, Management Consultant, Investment Banker, Business Analyst, Brand Manager, etc. I am confident that with my international degree and international experience, I will be getting handsome salary from starting. I will contribute to the Master of Management program at the University of Sydney. The Master of Management is designed as a program offering in-depth theoretical class and a great learning environment. In addition, you can also choose from a wide range of interesting electives such as the psychology of money, e-commerce, business ethics, etc. I can bring positivity, experience, a creative approach to solving problems, and the ability to embrace change. I can bring drive, a passion for this industry, and the ability to always treat your clients and customers in a way that way ensure they become long-term advocates of the business. Making and participating in a big win for my employer, solving a problem for my employer, leading a team, being part of a successful team, beating a competitor. I was responsible for interacting with big clients and understanding the requirements. Being a fresher, I did not pay much attention to the details of the project. Instead, I focused only on my ethics and discipline. My poor listening skills led me to lose one of the most significant projects of the organization. I have a great achievement and experience from my academic and work experience. I can make a small contribution to increase the economy. I gained many things from my experience. I understand the importance of gaining real world experience, foundation in business along with soft skills to help me accelerate my dream career.